Hey, Perry Jeffries here, the entrepreneur. Let's talk about profits. So, is your business just simply well-dressed poverty? Is your business truly profitable? And I don't mean the profits that you show in your tax returns. I'm talking about the cash profit. So if your business had a $20,000 profit for the year, do you have $20,000 sitting in a cash account to show that your business is profitable? Can you pull up your bank statement at any given time and see the profitability in your business? 70 to 80% of entrepreneurs cannot. And that's why we created our PACE program, the Profit Accelerator Small Business System for entrepreneurs and professionals. And what we do in that system is we ensure that you have profitability in your business. See, revenue is not profit. Profit is the cash you have on hand to show for your business, and we're here to help.